To lubricate and protect the exterior surfaces of open gears, wire ropes, and chains, traditionally an open gear lubricant has been utilized. In this video, I would like to demonstrate the key properties required to effectively lubricate and protect this critical equipment. To demonstrate different options for open gear lubrication, we'll use a machine, as you can tell by the noise level, is currently not lubricated. We'll now apply Spray Flex Gold to all the open gears throughout the machine and listen to the change in the noise level. After an open gear lubricant has been applied to all the gears in the machine, you can hear a dramatic reduction in the noise level. To demonstrate the critical cohesive nature of an open gear lubricant, we have a black asphaltic type on a slow-moving set of gears. You notice the legging, the transfer back and forth, is very, very obvious. Applying a conventional open gear grease to the same gears, you can see it has no internal strength or cohesion and is simply squeezing away. A simple demonstration can show the difference in adhesive and cohesive strength between an industrial open gear grease and the 715 Spray Flex. First, we've spread a thin film of the grease between two smooth calendared pieces of paper. As we separate them, we can check the cohesive strength. And in this case, you'll see there's none. There's no legging, no transfer back and forth. To demonstrate the adhesive strength to the surface, we'll apply some surface pressure, then separate the paper to check the effect. And as you can see, at the high pressure points, the grease completely squeezed away. Even after repeated contact back and forth, it does not have the ability to relubricate these surfaces. If we now repeat the same tests with 715 Spray Flex, a thin film between the paper. As we separate it, we'll zoom in, and you can clearly see the legging, the transfer back and forth, or the cohesive strength. This is critical in open gear applications to maintain the elastic lubricating film and resist squeeze out. If we now apply surface pressure to check the adhesive strength to the surface, when we separate the two pieces of paper, you'll see still a complete film of lubrication, even under the areas subjected to the extreme pressure. A critical property of open gear lubricants is the ability to cling adhesively to the surface, even under most extreme of lubricating conditions. A simple wipe-off test can be used to make a comparison. First, we have an industrial open gear lubricating grease with a paper towel. As you'll see, you can simply wipe it off the surface with little or no effort. If we now repeat the same test with 715 Spray Flex, even under the most extreme pressure and wiping action, it's virtually impossible to remove the lubricating film. To demonstrate the ability of an open gear lubricant to bond to wet metal surface, we have a metal panel with a film of water on it at a slight angle. We'll put a traditional black asphaltic open gear lubricant on one side and the Spray Flex Gold full synthetic on the other side. Apply traditional black asphaltic open gear lubricant. You can see it sits right on top of the water and begins to slide down the panel. Next, we'll put a full synthetic open gear lubricant Spray Flex Gold. Immediately you can see it penetrate through the water and bond to the wet metal. The difference is more apparent as we turn the panel more towards the vertical. In conclusion, with a wet metal surface, the traditional asphaltic material would be totally ineffective and simply contaminate the environment. Open gear lubricants have two primary uses: to lubricate surfaces under extreme pressure and to seal and protect in wet or corrosive environments. The common uses are on open gears that operate under extreme pressure, to seal and protect the outside of wire ropes, and to lubricate and protect the outside of chains. The key properties required to work effectively are extremely high adhesion to the surface and high internal strength or cohesion. Chesterton offers two industrially proven open gear lubricants: the 715 Spray Flex, black in color, making it very easy to inspect the lubricant condition. Where black color is a concern, the newer generation Spray Flex Gold, clear, full synthetic, with the unique ability to bond to wet metal, displacing any moisture or water on the surface.